Hello friends, welcome to AIMS Today YouTube channel. Now we are going to see IIT JNET Foundation Chemistry in that organic chemistry part. Now let us see nomenclature of hydrocarbons. Here it is a given question. Write the IUPAC name of a hydrocarbon given. Naming of any hydrocarbon can be divided into 4 simple parts to understand very easily. Those are word root or root word. Second one, primary suffix. Third, secondary suffix. And last, prefix or prefixes if there are more than one. First, let us say about word root or root word. This represents the number of carbon atoms in the main chain of hydrocarbon. Here, in the given hydrocarbon, there may be more than one possibilities to select the main chain. Now we have to select a chain as a main chain which contains maximum number of carbon atoms in it. At the same time, one more point to be noted that it should get the carbon atoms with the functional groups also if there are any. Now, if it is observed the compound structure, here this carbon contains one functional group. So that also should include into the main chain. That we have to select and that should contain maximum number of carbon atoms also. By this, we can select this as the main chain. In this main chain, there are 6 carbon atoms if we count. So the word root for this compound will be hex. In this way, main chain should contain maximum number of carbon atoms. At the same time, if there existing any double bonds or triple bonds or functional groups, those also should be included into the main chain. Now let us see primary suffix for that compound. Primary suffix represents the saturation of carbon atoms in the main chain. So, if all the carbon atoms in the main chain contains only single bonds between them, then primary suffix will be ANEAN. If there existing one or more than one double bonds between the carbon atoms, then primary suffix will be ENEEN. Otherwise, if there existing any one or more than one triple bonds between the carbon atoms, then primary suffix will be taken as YNEIN. If it is observed in this compound, there exists a double bond between these two carbon atoms. This represents the primary suffix as ENEIN. And at the same time, you have to mention the number of the carbon atoms on which this double bond is present. For that, we have to number these carbon atoms existing in the main chain. Numbering also might be done in 2 ways. One in the right to left or left to right. 2 possibilities are there. But the one we have to select which is getting the lowest number for this carbon with a functional group. So numbering should be taken in such a way that the carbon atoms with the functional groups should get the lowest possible number for it. So this will be the correct numbering. This is getting lowest number 1. So in this way, numbering is given for this now. By this, the carbon with a double bond is getting 2. So that also should be mentioned in the prefix. On the second carbon, the double bond is present. Now it will be written as 2-ene. So primary suffix will be now 2-ene. Let us see secondary suffix next. Secondary suffix represents the presence of functional groups in the hydrocarbon. As we came to know, there is an acid group in the hydrocarbon that is mentioned as a secondary suffix. If acid group is present in the hydrocarbon, the secondary suffix will be taken as oic acid. If there exists any aldehyde group, Al, all taken. If there is a ketone group, ONE1 is taken. If there existing any hydroxy group, OL is taken. Now here acid group is there. Let us take oic acid as the secondary suffix. Next, prefixes. Prefix represents the presence of any side chains or any halo groups, or if there existing more than one functional groups, the remaining functional groups will be taken as the prefixes and the main one will be taken as a secondary suffix. Now in this hydrocarbon there are 2 methyl groups as the side chains. Here are the 2 methyl groups. Now these 2 will be mentioned as the prefixes for this hydrocarbon. So as there are same kind of side chains, that will be mentioned as dimethyl. two methyl groups are there, so we mentioned it as dimethyl. At the same time, on which carbon atoms these methyl groups present, that numbers also should be mentioned in the prefix. Here on the third carbon there is one methyl group, on the fourth carbon there is another methyl group. These two numbers also should be mentioned in the prefix. Now we can mention it as 3,4 dimethyl is its prefix. So finally we can write the IUPAC name of this hydrocarbon as 3,4 dimethyl hex 2-ene oic acid. So while writing this, while combining this primary suffix and secondary suffix, the last E of this primary suffix will be omitted. Now it becomes enoic acid. So complete name for this hydrocarbon is now 3,4 dimethyl hex 2-ene oic acid. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates.